In this class, we are going to see about the types of pollution. Pollution. Pollution occurs when the environment gets contaminated by waste, chemicals, and harmful substance. Pollution is the damage caused to the environment mainly because of human activities. Any substance that causes pollution is known as pollutant. Pollution is an unwanted change in the physical, chemical, and biological characteristics of our land, air, and water. Types of pollution. There are four major kinds of pollution: air pollution, water pollution, land pollution, noise pollution. Let us see the air pollution. Most air pollution is caused by the burning of fossil fuels. These fossil fuels are used in factories, power plants, and motor vehicles. Burning these fossil fuels release toxic gases and fine particles such as ash and soot into the air, causing air pollution. Air pollution is also caused by burning solid waste, gases, or chemical released from factories, and fumes from aerosols like deodorant spray cans or paints. Certain toxic gases produced by industries mix with raindrops high in atmosphere and make rain unusually acidic. This is called acid rain. It damages plants, washes the nutrients out of the soil, and kills fish. Air pollution is harmful to all living organisms, including humans. Polluted air affects skin, eyes, and respiratory system. How can we reduce air pollution? Cycle or walk short distance instead of using a motor vehicle. Traveled by public transport. Do not burn solid waste. Avoid fireworks. Water pollution occurs when waste from factories, houses, and farms mixes with the water in river, lakes, ponds, the ocean, or even groundwater. Contaminated or polluted water can spread diseases and chemicals which are not good for our health. The most significant sources of water pollutants are sewage water, water we use at home for bathing, cleaning, cooking. Industrial effluents, liquid waste from factories. Agricultural pollutants, chemical pesticide and fertilizers that get washed from farms. Solid waste, when waste gets dumped into water bodies. How can we reduce water pollution? Do not pour leftover oil, old medicines, or waste down the drain or into the toilet. Reduces the use of chemical pesticides and fertilizers to grow crops. Use wastewater for garden in home. Do not litter or dump waste. Always use a waste bin. Land pollution. In the same way as water and air get polluted, land or soil pollution happens when toxic chemicals change the natural balance in soil. Land pollution comes from farming, excess uses of chemical pesticides and fertilizer. Next, mining, that is digging up metals and other materials. Next, factories, industrial waste, and the solid waste from our own house like plastic and broken electronics. Soil pollution affects animals, humans, and even plant because soil or land acts like a sponge. When it rains, pollutant sinks into the soil. If we grow plants to eat in polluted soil, these dangerous chemicals can get into our food. How can we reduce land pollution? First, try to reduce waste, then recycle the rest. Always use a waste bin and never a litter. Do not burn waste. The ashes mixes easily with soil. Noise pollution. Noise pollution affects the environment. We all like a quiet and peaceful place since unpleasant or loud sounds disturb us. Loud music, the sounds of motor vehicle, fireworks, and machines causes noise pollution. Continuous noise disturbs our sleep and does not let us to study. Noise pollution has been directly linked to stress and health impacts such as high blood pressure and hearing loss. Loud noise or even loud music can damage our ears. Noise pollution also disturb animals, birds. Birds have to communicate louder so that they can hear each other in noisy area. Even underwater noise pollution from ships can make whales lose their way as they use sounds to navigate. How do we reduce noise pollution? Turn off our electronics when you do not use them. Lower the volume when you watch TV or listen to music. Remind drivers not to use the horn too much. Avoid fireworkers. Speak, do not shout.